Guys, did you know about G-Man? But G-Man is the boss of Skibidi Toilets. But something was painful, heartbroken about G-Man. Did you know G-Man has a very bad day about scientists? Because scientist was dead before episode 71. Scientist Toilet died in 70, part 3. Did you know scientists was dead fight not like Titan? G-Man actually says for scientists because G-Man miss scientist toilet very much. Scientists made his upgrades. Scientists made his score. Scientist toilet made all for G-Man. And G-Man had her revenge on the Titans in Skibidi Toilet 73, Part 2. G-Man was rage on the Skibidi Toilet 73 part. This is when G-Man started rage mode about Titan TV Man, Titan Cameraman, and Titan Speaker Man. G-Man was so upset about scientist toilets died death because G-Man was very lonely if scientist toilet is dead. And G-Man cannot fight all. G-Man fight Titan Cameraman. He fight Titan Speaker Man. He still fight the Titan TV Man and fight all the Astro toilets. Do you know Mothership toilet is the most biggest toilet in the whole universe? It's not compared to Titan Cameraman. Is so low about this toilet. This toilet is the most powerful toilet, powerful than all Titans and G toilet too. If G-Man is level 6, he can destroy this because there was a leak about this Skibidi Toilet 73. I mean 6.0 about G-Man. Let's watch it.